Is your 2016 Hyundai Creta's infotainment system frozen, showing a blank screen, or refusing to play audio? These are common problems that often stem from software glitches or hardware issues. Let's address the fixes. First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. If that fails, a hard reset involves disconnecting the car battery for 10 minutes and then reconnecting it. This clears corrupted data, but will reset your settings. Software updates, available through the Hyundai BlueLink app if your model supports it, can also resolve the issue. If these steps don't work, it's likely a hardware problem, and you should visit a Hyundai dealer for diagnostics. If basic resets don't solve the issue, consider checking USB and aux port connections for audio problems. Ensure your system has the latest software version available for your specific model. Manual updates are downloadable from Hyundai's website. Note that not all 2016 Cretas are compatible with the newest updates due to hardware limitations. To prevent future problems, avoid overloading the system with apps, keep the firmware updated, and use original accessories. If issues persist, a dealer visit is essential. They can diagnose potentially faulty hardware like the audio IC chip. Remember, resets are effective for about 80% of software-related freezes, but hardware faults require professional intervention.